Hi there, welcome to another Reloader Joe video. Today we'll be shooting the Marlin Model 45 Camp Carbine. The Model 45 Camp Carbine, they're no longer in production. I've had this one since new, back in the 80s again. They also made a Model 9 Camp Carbine, which, as you guessed, shot 9mm. Today we're going to shoot the Winchester jacketed hollow point, 45 auto, 230 grain, and the Federal 230 grain hollow point, versatile hollow point, train and protect. Here they are really close. It's about the only difference is there's a little bit of a crimps on the end of that bullet. And there's the Federal. The crimps are just a little, these notches are just a little more pronounced on the Winchester. Hopefully that Winchester won't behave like the 22 Wildcat Winchester. Right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We don't want duds.
No dud.
These are both 230 grain hollow points, and just a few cosmetic differences on the jacket of the bullet itself. They're pretty close, so we're likely to see similar performance here. We'll run the Winchester and the Federal ammo through the chronograph. I believe they're both rated in the 800 foot per second range, and I believe that's from a pistol. So I'd like to see more velocity shot from this rifle. I believe this one is a 16-inch barrel. So we'll do the chronograph first, then we'll shoot groups at a target at 25 yards. We've got our 5 rounds of the Winchester 230 grain hollow points ready to go. We're going to fire at the chronograph. We've got it set up, and let's see what the numbers look like. Got your ears ready?
Yep.
All right, safety is on. We're going to shoot 5 rounds. We'll read out the numbers between each shot. Here we go. Ooh, 10-19. 10-13. 10-40. 10-52. 10-70. There's 5. All right, that's that's not bad. That's slinging that 230 grain 45 caliber bullet pretty good. All right, let's load up the Federals and see what the velocity of those look like. All right, we've got the Federal 230 grain hollow points loaded. Let's see what those look like. You ready? All right, here we go. Oh, 903. 916. 907. 918. And 944.
That was a lot slower than the...
That was a lot slower.
Was that the Winchester?
No, that was the Federal. Yeah. The Winchesters were a lot faster. They were about, 100 feet per second. I think the fastest one was, 1070?
Yeah.
We'll look when we go back and edit the video.
It was 1070.
So, yeah, I think the Winchesters is what you guys will be hunting deer with this fall.
Probably.
Okay, so now we'll set up the target at 25 yards. We'll see how each of these group. I hope the Winchesters group well, because that's what we want to use. Those are a lot faster out of this rifle. So we'll get the target set up and we'll be right back. Just to show you guys, the Federal shows a muzzle velocity of 850 and at 25 yards, 834. They were shooting about an extra 100 feet per second out of the Camp Carbine, as opposed to the Winchester. muzzle velocity of 880 and 876 at 5 yards. So we were probably closer to 5 yards. The velocity of the Winchester was almost, it was 1070, I think, was the fastest one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So big improvement in the Winchester ammo.
Yes.
We got the target set up. We're going to fire 3 or 5.
3.
3. Yeah, we like the 3-round groups. Okay, we'll fire 3. We'll load up, fire 3 Winchesters at the target at 25 yards. Safety's on. Okay. Got your ears ready?
Yep.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, I pulled one. Let's shoot. Let's go ahead and just let's load 3 more in there.
It smells so good.
That does. Okay. Always pull one. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go take a look. Well, there's our 6 shots. Yeah, that I had 2, and then I saw that flyer, and that's when we decided to shoot 3 more. So our other 3 are here, and 2 more there. So, you know, not counting the flyer, that's pretty good. We don't need to adjust this at all for 25 yards with that ammo. That's pretty much dead on. I was, again, aiming, you know, right around, you know, the bottom. It was hard to tell, you know, the sights are flat and they're about as, you know, at this distance, the front sight is about as wide as this 3-inch circle right here. So, yeah, that's on. Let's see where the Federal ammo is shooting now. We'll reset this target and be right back. We've got the target reset. We're going to reload with these Federal. Let's go ahead and fire 6 since we did last time. Federal 230 grain, train and protect, versatile hollow point, it says. These were slower, weren't they? Okay. What the heck? Okay, I'm going to figure this out. Sheesh.
Yeah.
So it should do that, and it should just go backwards and snap forward. No problem at all. Okay, fellas, well, we just had a malfunction. Our our slide has stuck open. The looks like, oh, that's what we have here. There's a white recoil buffer. I wondered what those pieces were. There's a white little plastic poly recoil buffer inside these, and they apparently disintegrate with age, and looks like that's what ours has done. I saw this and I thought it was pieces of the sand coming out of the sandbag, but no, it was little plastic pieces of our recoil buffer, and that when that totally disintegrates like that, the the bolt will stick open. This also has a slide. I don't know if it's a slide or a bolt or charge or whatever you want to call the hammer there. But push it up and it locks it in place open so it won't close, and then down lets you, and it should be easy just to pull down and release. We just did a quick search on Google and looks like that's what the problem is. Luckily, I guess we can order a new one, and apparently you can get a new, like a spring kit for these also. That's a good upgrade. So maybe the next video we do will be replacing this little recoil buffer. Maybe that's what we'll do. But at least we got the Winchester, and man, I mean, that fired great. The 5 rounds we shot, it kind of had me. I was confused because it fired 5 rounds exactly, and I thought it locked itself open. So I'm sitting here fiddling with it, trying to get it to, cycle the next clip so we could do the finish the ammo test. But the Winchester shot great. We'll order a new buffer. We'll most likely maybe do a video on replacing it. That may go well, it may not. So well, that's going to do it for this Reloader Joe video. We're all about honesty. I didn't, I'm not trying to not trying to hide anything here. So that kind of cut our video short. But we'll be back next time. Please like and subscribe. We're having fun. We're gaining a few subscribers. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Reloader Joe, over and out.